That's the crown. And where Mark's standing is where it was triggered from. Right in there.
And you just cut back that way, got off the slab. This is the skier trigger slide on Mount Ellis. And the snowpack here, it's a little thinner than some areas, but what it has in common are these facets down here about a foot off the ground. We're getting avalanches on these facets throughout the advisory area. The guys that came up here and triggered this slide, they were doing everything right, digging multiple snow pits, assessing stability, trying to pick a safe route up. Their results, their stability test results, weren't totally clear. The point here is that what is clear and what we know is that these facets are weak, they've been producing avalanches, and it's a good bet that they're going to keep producing avalanches if we get into avalanche terrain.